Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Okay, Sanjay Chau.
Yes, sir.
So, have you solved some questions given in the last class? तिमीहरूलाई कुनै गाह्रो भयो कि नै भन त? So last time we discussed about types of set, operation of sets, and some relation related to cardinal or cardinality of sets. So in short, let me remind, there are many types like empty sets, infinite sets, finite sets, overlapping, yes, disjoint sets. So if you have disjoint sets, then none of the elements of two or more sets are common. That means disjoint. And after that, we discuss operation of sets like union of sets, especially union of two sets, intersection of two sets, because 9 class, grade 9 is related with two sets. Grade 10, especially in grade 10, we'll discuss up to 3 sets. That's why intersection of two sets, then union of two sets, complement of set, okay, difference of sets. So all these things we discussed in the last class. Today I have planned to discuss some application of sets. Application means language problem. Mostly how to represent language problems given in words in set notation and how to solve them. So for this, I will take one example from your book, like page number 21, question number 7a. Question number 7a, page number 21. Look at this question. If you have book, open your book, page number 21, question number 7a. Listen to me. In a survey of 600 people in a village of Tading district, 400 people said they can speak Tamang language, 350 said Nepali language, and 200 of them said they can speak both language. That means this problem is related with Tamang language and Nepali language. So there are two sets, Tamang and Nepali. So for this, let me write first symbol. Let T and N be the set of people who speak. What is? Our question is who speak Tamang and Nepali language respectively, and you be the set of total people in the survey. You can write this much. First of all, the language problem is converted into symbol by denoting T for Tamang language and N for Nepali language and U for universal mean total people in the survey. After writing this much, let us write symbol NU, NT, N, D intersection N. Look, first of all, what is the total? Total people in the survey 600. Look here. And 40 said they can speak 400, Tamang, and 350 Nepali, 350 Nepali and 200 both. 200 both. Look. हेर त दुईटै ल्याङ्ग्वेज बोल्न सक्ने 200 रहेछ. ओन्ली नेपाली भन्ने हैन कि नेपाली बोल्ने 350, तामाङ बोल्ने 400. टोटल सर्वे गर्दाखेरि हामीले आउट अफ 600 पिपलमा सर्वे गर्यौ. Then how many people who can speak Tamang as well as Nepali? कति? कुनै पनि बोल्न नजान्ने तामाङ नेपाली को कम्प्लिमेन्ट कति? ल हेर. अनि ओन्ली तामाङ कति? ओन्ली नेपाली कति? We can ask so many questions. How many people can speak only Tamang? How many can be speak only Nepali? How many people can speak neither Tamang nor Nepali? Maybe Nepali हुन सक्छ, अरु बोल्लान्. अनि how many people can speak Tamang as well as mean either Tamang or Nepali or both? So the given informations can be represented in symbol like this. First of all, suppose the symbol. के symbol use गर्ने? तिमीहरुले यहाँ A र B use गर्न पनि सक्छौ. भाइ बहिनीहरुले याद गर्ने. यहाँ हामीले तामाङलाई T, नेपालीलाई N गर्यौं र always remember the symbol should be capital letter. जहिले पनि symbol लाई तिमीहरुले capital letter मा लेख्ने. Now the question is number 1, draw the Venn diagram to illustrate the above informations. अब यो whole information लाई Venn diagram मा कसरी गर्ने? भाइ बहिनीहरु यहाँसम्म कन्फ्युज छ कुनै? If you have any question then ask me. ल हेर, अब हामी first question number 1, how to represent the informations in Venn diagram. This is universal set. Cardinal U is given to be 600. Tamang and Nepali. T for Tamang and for Nepali. And while plotting in Venn diagram, first of all, तिमीले दुवैको राख्दिने. 200 people can speak both. Tamang as well as Nepali 200. Ani total Tamang kati cha हेर त? Total Tamang is 400. Out of 400, हेर, this total is 400. 400 minus 200 means 200. This 200 people can speak only Tamang, not Nepali. And total people who speak Nepali is 350. This total is 350, means 350 minus 200 means 150 people can speak only Nepali, not Tamang. हेर त 150 only Nepali. This 200 only Tamang. But this 200 can speak both Tamang as well as Nepali. Now, what is the total sum? Actually add this plus this plus this means 550. So 550, 600 minus 550. Oh, this plus this 400, 550, 600 minus 550 means 50. 50 people can speak neither Tamang nor Nepali. They can speak as any other language, maybe Tharu language, maybe Nepali language, or other language than Tamang and Nepali. So this is your first part. The whole information is written or expressed in Venn diagram like this. Bujincha? How many people cannot speak any of the two language? कति जनालाई कुनै मन पर्दैन? हेर त हामीले we got the answer 50. But you can't write direct 50. We need to show the calculation. यसलाई Venn diagram बाट तिमीले एउटा आन्सर निकालिसक्यौ तर अब यो चीजलाई हामीले कसरी देखाउने now cardinal T union N equals to NT plus N minus T intersection N NT total Tamang 400 total Nepali 350 minus 200 that means 550 and cardinal T union N complement is NU minus T union N 600 minus 550 that means 50 people could not speak any of these two languages. So your answer is 50. This is your second part. Now, the third part is how many people can speak Tamang language only? Only Tamang. First, only Tamang is NT minus T intersection N. Total Tamang 400, intersection 200. So Tamang is 200. Bujincha? Only Tamang 200. And then last question is how many people can speak Nepali language only? Only Nepali. Only Nepali means total Nepali minus intersection. Total Nepali 350, intersection 200. So how much it is? 150. Okay, here we can ask one more question. How many people can speak only one language? Yadi only one language means maybe Tamang, maybe Nepali. You have to add these two only. Mean how many people can speak only Tamang and only Nepali? You duitalai timile add garyo bhane how many people can speak only one language or we can say exactly one language. Now, bhai bhanihharu एकचोटी हेरौं त यसलाई क्लियरली हेरौं कसैलाई केही कन्फ्युज छ भने बोलिहाल. Do you have any confusion? If you don't have any confusion, then I'll start one more new question. That means the question related with percentage as well as number. Question number 8C. Question number 8C. 8C, page number 22. Okay, listen this question. In a survey of some people, it was found that 45% of them were using internet, 60% were using cellular data, and 15% of them were not using any type of Wi-Fi connection. So this is the question related with this lockdown period. Most of you are, some of you are using internet, some may be in mobile data, that means cellular data, but some of the students who may be in remote area have no facility of these two types. That's why this is the question related with internet, like online class. So first of all, NU total is 100%. Mean total people in the survey is 100%, and that means first of all internet. Let's use the symbol I for internet facility. Internet facility is 45%, and mobile data, for data we can we can use the symbol of D, capital D or capital M, but you have to mention at first. You have to mention at first as set. Let us suppose, let T be the set of people who are using internet. I like internet, M like mobile data, and U for the set of total people in the survey. First of all, before writing this symbol, you have to suppose the terms or symbols what you are using. Now, 15% are not using any. That means I union M complement is 15%. 15% लाई कुनै सुविधा छैन भने अब आऊ how many internet intersection mobile data यसलाई म x% suppose गर्छु. Let us suppose x% अनि I union M कति थाहा छैन, we have to calculate. So this is the symbol you are using. After this, let us write down in Venn diagram. First, let us suppose this is U, and U is total 100%, internet and mobile. Mobile data, I for internet, M for mobile data, and how many both? Both is not given, so x%. How many for internet? 45 minus x%, and this is 60 minus x%, and this one is 15%. Look here, 15% is the complement. 45 minus x mean internet only. 60 minus x, mobile data only, x both. In this way, you can represent the whole information only in percentage or only in number. Don't mix. तिमीहरुले यहाँ कुनै percentage कुनै number mix गर्नु हुँदैन. कि त completely percentage मा राख्ने कि त completely number मा राख्ने. Mix गर्नु हुँदैन. ठीक छ? So our first part is represent the above informations in Venn diagram. I think you are clear on this Venn diagram. यसमा कसैलाई कन्फ्युज छ भने तिमीले हात उठाएर सोध्न सक्छौ. One by one, कसैलाई डाउट छ? छैन. Okay. Then let us move. अब म अगाडि जान्छु कि how to show the calculation. Mean if 60 people were using both mean intersection. So first of all, I union M mean total NU minus I union M complement mean total minus complement mean union. हेर त यो total बाट complement लाई minus गर्यो भने union आयो. That means 100 minus 15%, it is 85%. हेर. Second, N I union M भनेको NI NM minus I intersection M. Union is 85. I mean 45 plus 60 minus X. अब हेरौं त यसलाई X will be equal to कति आउँछ 20 हो. This means that's why अब यसलाई हामी फेरि चेन्ज गरौं. 20% of NU should be equals to 60. हेर त टोटल को 20% ले दुवै युज गर्दाखेरि there are 60 people who are using both. That's why this is the number of using both, and this is the number of using both facility. This 20% of NU mean these people are using both facility, mobile data as well as internet. And the question is 60 people are using both Wi-Fi. That means 100 of min into NU as it is. And remember, NU is 100%. Percent ma 100 हुन्छ तर number ma कति हुन्छ हामीले निकाल्नु पर्छ. ल हेरौँ त 25 जा, so NU is 5 6 जा 30, 300. So there are 300 people in the survey. So hence at last you can conclude the answer that there are 300 peoples in the survey. Mean 300 peoples were involved in the survey of using Wi-Fi. Maybe Wi-Fi related to mobile data or Wi-Fi related to internet. Are you clear? Are you clear or not? So, okay, let's take one more example of question number that means related to broadcast 10A. Question number 10A. मैले एउटा क्वेशनहरु ल्याएको छु different types को. 10A, page number 22. Let's see पढौं. In an election of municipality, X and Y were two candidates for the post of mayor. There were 40,000 people in the voter list. Total people in the voter list 40,000. Votes were supposed to cast the vote for a single candidate. 15,000 people votes for X. 23,650 people cast for Y, and 350 people cast vote even for both. Listen, total people in the survey NU is 40,000. Votes got by X, votes got by Y, and votes got by X and Y both, and votes got by X union Y, and vote got by X union Y complement. Look, we need to write all these informations. Look, how many votes got by X? X means 15,000. Vote by Y is 23,650. 23,650. Ani Dubaile both 350. 350 both. Ani malai yo thaha chaina, yo thaha chaina. Listen, number of votes got by, what I mean is how many votes got by X, how many votes got by Y, and how many votes got by both, and how many people were not involved in the election. That means absent. So first of all, let us write in Venn diagram. पहिला हामीले Venn diagram मा लेखौं त. Total NU is 40,000. X, that means Y. Y, X. First of all, let us write 350 for both. 350 people cast vote for X as well as for Y. And how many people cast vote for X? 15,000. Oh, 15,000 minus 350 mean 14,000 14,650 and total, that means look here, and x is 15,000, look, and of y is 23,650, and here this is 300, exactly 300, yeah. Look, total minus 350 mean only y. This is only x and both. If you add all total, actually add this plus this. How much? Minus 38,300 minus 40,000. How much? 17. Let's check. Check around the equator. This plus this plus this plus this 40,000 unche gun error actually. Hello? This total mean votes got by x. This total mean votes got by y. And this one is the vote got by both. But this 350, these votes got by x and y, that's why these are invalid votes. Election, in any election, if some people give votes for both, then that number will be invalid. Only valid votes are this one. Only valid mean only x and only y. This is the number of valid votes. And 1,700 people were not involved in the election process, mean absent. Okay, this much is our first part. How to represent in Venn diagram. तिमीले राम्रोसँग बुझ्ने हेर त. How many people did not cast vote? कतिवटा, ल, how many people did not cast vote? अब vote नदिने कतिजना भन्दाखेरि त हेर त हामीले निकालिसक्यौं. 1,700 people did not cast vote. अब यसको क्याल्कुलेसन देखाउनु पर्यो कि number 2, cardinal x union y mean cardinal x, cardinal y, cardinal x intersection y. Cardinal x कति छ? 15,000, y 23,650 minus 350, add गर्दाखेरि 38. How much? Tell me the answer. This plus this minus 350. 38,300. Is it right or wrong? Check yourself. This plus this minus this one. And x union y complement is nu minus x union y. So this is 40,000 minus 3,300. That means 1,700. 1,700 people were not involved in the election process. Mean absent. Heramta mean 1,700 people did not cast vote. And number 3, find the number of valid votes. Valid. Valid mean the valid vote is only x and only y. Li add. This is the vote got by x only. This is the vote got by y only. Only y, the only x like add garyo bhane number of valid vote. Number 3, number of valid votes equals to and only x and only y. How much it is? Only x and only y. Only x mean 1400 650 plus 23,300. So 37,950. And remember, in some of the book, this answer may not be right. Don't confuse. Mean this 15,000 is the total votes for X, and this contains this 350 is also included here and here. Oh, त्यसैले यो 15,000 मा यो पनि भएको हुनाले यसलाई माइनस गर्नुपर्छ. That's why this answer is right. कुनै कुनै बुकमा यो आन्सर रङ दिएको छ. तिमीले हेर्ने कि number of valid vote mean only X plus only Y. यसलाई only add गर्यो भने you will get the votes which are valid. Invalid कति त? How many votes are invalid? 350 votes were invalid. कति जना absent? 1700. 1700 ले vote cast गरेन. 350 votes invalid. र this is the valid vote. So, dear students, तिमीहरुलाई यसमा कुनै कन्फ्युज छ? भाइ बहिनीहरु हेर त. भाइ बहिनीहरुलाई कुनै कन्फ्युज छ भने भन. हामीसँग अब टाइम धेरै कम छ. आजलाई हामीले यतिकैमा टुंगाउँछौ. तिमीहरुको केही कन्फ्युज छ भने भन्ने र मलाई लाग्छ तिमीहरुले यो एक्सरसाइज 1.2 एक्सरसाइज 1.1 लास्ट टाइम गरिम. एक्सरसाइज 1.2 तिमीहरुले प्र्याक्टिस गर्ने र केही कन्फ्युज भयो. If you have any question, you will ask on Thursday in the next class. हो त्यतिको लागि अब म आजलाई यतिकैमा तिमीहरुसँग यो क्लासलाई यतिकैमा अन्त्य गर्छु र कसैलाई कन्फ्युजन भयो भने तिमीहरुले मलाई कुनै किसिमले सोध्न सक्छौ र टाइम मिलाएर तिमीहरुको कपी पनि हेर्ने छु. But every student should submit your homework or work either in Messenger or in Google Classroom, whatever you like, but submit all the homework. Okay? Thank you very much. Bye.